can't miss this train right here. And the freight train's coming. Oh yeah, we're gonna get
there
it.
It is.
Yep, BNSF. Cool. Got 2 trains today. HMCR and then BNSF.
Yeah, they're right after one another. That's the best rail fanning we've had in a while, isn't it?
Yeah. First, it's awesome. Now we caught this one on time too.
Alright, buddy, I'm gonna need to get out of the way. This guy's gonna want to turn. Can we go, or do you want to catch the whole thing?
Catch the whole thing.
Okay. Well, we'll sit here. This guy's gonna get mad. Yeah, he's getting mad. See? Alright, let's go.
Stupid guy.
Keep getting it. See, get off my ass. Get out of the lane.
Stupid guy right here. I don't think there's gonna be any DPUs with most anyway.